Hi everybody. My friend and I in our clubhouse. In our apartment. Clubhouse. Yep, we already have coffee and donut. Here it go. And now the Coke machine. Coke machine was there in corner. Hey, I show you. Too far, I walk over there. See, now Coke machine and candy machine. Okay? Well, there, I want Pepsi and I played D4. Give me Sprite. So I played Sprite. D3, give me Pepsi. Yo, I don't know. Yep. Coke, big Cocoa for Cocoa Pops. Yeah. That's my friend. He does a Latch Hook.
Doing my Latch Hook yet?
Yep. Yeah. I'm doing mine.
This will be.
And I show you. Okay, check two.
This is the Latch Hook that I'm doing. Or, yeah, it's the beginning, but I'm getting there. See all these two lines that are scribbled? I've done those two lines already. And I'm working on my third line over into the eye of the wolf. So, here I am. So far, so good. That's what you're doing.
He
Picture of it.
hates the bed. He Scooby-Doo. Where are you? That's my thing. Okay?
This is
Yep.
your thing.
You're stuck the
Oh.
hot now. Until the shutter hot. You see the picture. The shutter hot. Scooby-Doo hot. Well there, I'm in the house. No. I work on more below was there. Okay. Yeah. I've been it. When I get done, I will put it on. I will record it. Okay? So stay tuned and I'll be right back.
All right.
I'm doing on light. You are waiting it. I waited that. I waited that. That blank. That. 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 Blank. That. You beautiful. That. Yellow. Yellow down. Mountain Yellowtail. I love Yellowtail. I did that yesterday. I did that yesterday. I'm blank. I did that yesterday. No, today. Today. Oh. I am done with my Latch Hook. I got kicked.
Oh, no, he's not.
Yeah,
Don't
yeah.
believe him, people. It's not done yet.
No. I got a lot of way to go. I got a lot of way to go. Okay. I took take a break. Over now. Oh, God. And now we use that thing. Okay?
Right.
So, okay. I'm there for the show. Hanging there. Bye-bye. Okay. Well, I did going to do another thing.
Calling language.
Yes.
That's
You
fine.
are waiting it. But I'll do it also.